Good morning everyone. How are you all? I think you all are fine and healthy and enjoying your holidays. As you all know, you all are at home now. So let's start. Look what we are going to do today. Today we are going to learn sound of et at. What it will be pronounced? Et at. Okay. Now mention here date 15/7/2020, sound of at, and when we match it with P, it becomes PET, pet, right. P की फोनिक साउंड प आपने पिछली क्लास में पढ़ी थी, तो PET पेट. E और T की फोनिक साउंड क्या हो गई? एट. तो जब हमने प के साथ इसको मिलाया तो क्या हो गया? पेट. नाउ वी विल मैच इट विथ एन. लुक व्हाट इट विल बी. NET. It's net. Okay. And now we are going to match it with J. It becomes JET, jet. Right. So you have to write it here again and again at 5 times, and this is your classwork, and another page you have to do it in your homework. Okay, so that's all for today. We will meet tomorrow. Goodbye.